Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove TikTok watermark. So if you want to download TikTok videos but you don't want the TikTok watermark attached on the video, because when you try to use the save video option on TikTok, this one's right here, there will be TikTok watermark attached on the video. So on today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can the easiest way you can get rid of that watermark, or you can download TikTok videos without the watermark. So there are a few options that you can do. You can use a website on or applications. If you want to use website, so the step is actually the same, but the tools that just different. So what you need to do is just click on the share button and tap on copy link. So instead of clicking on the save video option, you can just click on this copy link options. And then if you are using the web, you can just go to your browser. And here you can just find for or search for the TikTok video downloader. So there will be lots of options. You can just choose which one. Actually, the functions are the same. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one, the ttsafe.app. Now what you need to do is just paste the link to the link box. This one. You can paste on it and tap on download. And after that, here you'll see the preview of the video that you want to download, the captions, and you can just choose this one, download without watermark. So that's the step if you want to use the website. But if you want to use application, you can use an application such as this one, Snaptic. You can get it on the Play Store or App Store. It depends on the device that you use, but you are going to search for the same keyword, TikTok video downloader. There will be lots of options that you can select it. Just install it on your device. After that, you can just open the app. Now, when the app is open, you can see it will automatically detect the the link that you copy before from TikTok. So after that, it will show you the preview, and again, you can just tap on download video option. But this one, you can see you'll need to watch an app first before you can download the video without a watermark. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.